How to use unsubscribe links in Instantly.ai. Using unsubscribe links in Instantly.ai is not only important for compliance, but it also helps you maintain a clean and healthy sender reputation. To add one, simply go to your campaign settings and enable the unsubscribe option, which automatically insert a link at the bottom of every email you send. This makes it easy for recipients who aren't interested to opt out. Instead of marking your messages as spam, which can hurt deliverability, you can also customize the unsubscribe page so that when someone clicks, they are either fully removed from your list or given the option to update preferences, like receiving fewer emails instead of none at all. Remember, sending to people who actually want your content will always perform better. So, having a visible and subscribe link shows professionalism, builds trust, and ensures your Instantly AI stay compliant and effective. So that's it.